Hi guys, this is Chris with JustDIYChris channel. Oh, you can read that. It's not. Is it mirror image?
Yes, it is. Okay.
Is it this way?
See, my dad does
Just do it yourself.
Comment if you can see it the other way. Or, like,
what's the other way?
Is it a mirror? I don't know. Okay. Just subscribe, like, comment, and turn on post notifications and share the video with your friends.
Yes, so today we're meeting about this.
The red pushpin project.
Today's a red pushpin project. Red pushpin project.
If you can read it.
If you can read it. So, what's the red pushpin project? First of all, I want to say thank you very much for the subscribers and comments and likes. I have like 50,000 views on 4 videos. That's a lot. And I just did it, just because I want to share my knowledge with somebody else. So that was intentional. I'm not a YouTuber. I was just trying to throw it, but who knows? So just to follow up, after a couple of years, my nest is still fine. I connected it to, back in the day, if you guys remember, to my upper air humidifier and to my furnace. It's working fine. It's been working fine. There's no issue, not a single issue with it. So in the meantime, I was busy with kitchen upgrades, bathroom upgrades, which I didn't make videos because I don't see, when I do something takes time, and my YouTube channel has content. I'm not saying some other YouTube channels don't have content, but I think you know what I mean. They really don't, and it's easy to make a movie, a show about nonsense. And I mean, I don't get it. You know what I mean? But that's my theory. I want to make something that is useful. Instead of about, I don't know, jumping on the trampoline, who makes it, people have million views. But I'm not judging.
And can I say something?
Yeah, don't judge. Go ahead.
I can land my front flip.
He can land his front flip. Maybe I'll make a video about it and we're going to have 100,000 views. So, first of all, I hope everybody's doing great. We're in the 4 months since COVID-19. We're working from home, so it's good. But I want to talk to you about this today. It's a red pushpin project. Do you know what that is?
No.
You have no idea. Did I tell you what this is going to be about?
No. You just called me over here.
I just called you over here, right? So, this is a little surprise. So, let me explain what this is going to be about. In 2006 or 6, Kyle McDonald, and I want to see your reaction. He's 10 years old, so I want to pick his brain. So Kyle McDonald, that's the guy. Here's Max picking from behind. Kyle McDonald traded a red paperclip.
For what?
Traded up. Come here, Max. Come here.
Just sitting there.
Traded up. Go on the other side. He traded up a red pushpin. No, not pushpin.
A red paperclip.
Paperclip in the multiple trades. He traded for a house. Yeah.
Oh, I have no clue what you're saying.
He traded up for a house. So he got a paperclip and he pushed it. He traded without an exchange of money for another item.
Expensive item.
More expensive or more valuable than the paperclip. And then he traded up again for another item that was more valuable, and then he keep trading up, right? You understand? So I have a paperclip. You want something? I'll give you, and we exchange up. So he did it 14 times. So the last trade that he did, Maximilian, come here. The last trade he did, he got a house. That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
For paperclip.
Yeah.
All right. So what we're gonna do is, I was thinking about red paperclip. I'm gonna do something different.
Red pushpin.
It's red pushpin project, and that's what this is about today. So since today's your birthday, and we had a party yesterday, 4th of July /party/birthday.
And some people had to sleep over because their kids fell asleep.
Yeah, they're all friends, so we're good. Everything was safe.
Hope you guys are staying safe too.
Yeah, right, Max?
Yeah.
Right, this is perfect. Finally, you find a spot. This is gonna be spot. All right, so what we're gonna do is, today is an introductory video. and we're just gonna do this project, and let's see what we're gonna get out of it.
Okay.
All right.
So if this
so
isn't
every
work, there's
time,
gonna
every
be part 2.
Yeah, it's gonna be part 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15. I don't know how many parts. Let's see how far we can get. So each time I'm gonna find someone to trade up, always up, never down, always up. We're gonna make a short catch-up video. All right, and so you can follow me. So if I find something interesting, whatever, that is more value than this, I'm saying a lot of things are more value than this, and some things are less value than that, then we make a short video. I'm not gonna show faces, but I found this person. I'm gonna meet with the person, hopefully safely with the mask on, and we're gonna trade it up.
Yep.
And then we're gonna make a video. What was the item that I got out of it, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you follow me? So that's the goal.
So what are we doing today?
Today is the introductory video.
So nothing today, just saying
Well,
hi.
we're just saying hi, and after a couple of years of being inactive, we're catching up. All right?
Yep.
But I will show you, maybe in the follow-up video, how I connected my wireless sprinkler controller, Ratchet 3, to my entire house. That's a separate project.
Yeah.
I have 30 sprinkler heads, 8 zones, and everything is working via voice, actually, as a matter of fact, right now. But I can use my cell phone. I have a flow meter, and I have hold on. I have a flow meter, and I have a few odds and ends, how to install the head, remove the head. So this is what I'm working on. In the meantime, I was working on the house, just doing upgrades in the kitchen, which I'm in a new upgraded kitchen right now. Lights and stuff like that, and I'm working in the bathroom. But that's a separate video. Today, yes, you can. Today it's about this red push pin project.
Yeah.
Because it's your birthday, and I want to see how far we can trade up.
What? We can't trade a house. If we
Well,
can trade
I'm
a
not
house.
trading my house, but let's see how much you're gonna get, right?
Can I say something?
Yes, you can.
If you can trade that for a house,
Then I'm good, huh?
and they pay the rental,
I will see.
and they pay off the bills.
Yes,
Oh my
go ahead,
god. Okay, guys, but I'm just doing something else. I'm just peeking out of here. Wait, can I say something else?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait,
Because this video, I don't want to have too long. We have 3 minutes. I want to have a 10-minute video.
Since we're basically just following up on this video, recently I learned how to land a front flip, so can we just show them how I do
Yes,
it?
in the next video, we should just I guess we're gonna have videos about no content. Great. Now it's a content because he's flipping. What is it?
Front flip.
Front flip. He's landing it. So. Yes, you can say something.
And I can know how to do a front flip in the water.
Front in the water. Yes. So. We will stay tuned. Stay in touch. And again, red pin. Every time I get something, we will post a video. That's all I have right now. Guys, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.
And make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications to become a member of the notification squad.
Yeah, and share.
And share the video with your friends.
Let's see how we're gonna get. Again, the name of the person is Kyle McDonald. He traded red paperclip in series of trades up, of course. He got a snowmobile. He got he even got he was supposed to play in the movie, and he traded that up for something else.
And
so
I think a good goal for this video for likes.
Yeah, what's your goal in this video?
To
get
like 20,000 likes.
20,000 likes.
2,000 likes.
2,000 likes.
Let's see if we got.
I don't know about 2,000 likes, but I have a lot of views. I have 50,000 views. I think in 4 videos that I made, it's like 50,000 views. That's pretty good.
Let's try to get 100,000 views this video.
100,000 views. All right.
And 2,000 likes.
Guys, Red Pushpin Project officially start July 5th, 2020. Peace.